Have you ever tried to buy concert tickets the exact second they went on sale, only to find they were already sold out? Or maybe you've wondered how a hacker manages to try millions of passwords on a website in a single afternoon. The answer is bots. In the world of cybersecurity, a bot, short for robot, is an automated software program designed to perform repetitive tasks at a speed no human could ever match. But here's the twist. Nearly half of all internet traffic today is generated by bots. Some are here to help us, but others are the primary weapons for modern cyber attacks. Today, we're going deep into the world of malicious bots, how they operate in 2026, and how you can protect yourself. Before we talk about the threats, let's be fair, not all bots are villains. Good bots are the backbone of the web. Think of Googlebot, which crawls the internet to index websites so you can find them, or the customer service chatbots that help you track your packages. However, bad bots are programmed for one thing: exploitation. They are the foot soldiers for hackers. They don't get tired, they don't make mistakes, and they can attack thousands of targets simultaneously. The danger lies in their scale. Let's look at how these malicious bots actually work. First, we have credential stuffing. Hackers take lists of usernames and passwords leaked from old data breaches and stuff them into other sites, like your bank or Netflix. If you reuse passwords, a bot will find it in seconds. Then, there's the botnet. This is a network of hijacked devices, ranging from laptops to smart fridges, controlled by a single attacker. These botnets are used for DDoS attacks, where they flood a website with so much fake traffic that it crashes entirely. We also see scraper bots that steal proprietary data, and scalping bots that snatch up limited edition products to resell them at a massive profit. In 2026, these are no longer simple scripts. They are sophisticated programs that can bypass most basic security. What makes bots so much more dangerous today is artificial intelligence. Older bots were easy to spot because they moved in straight lines and clicked buttons too perfectly. But modern AI-driven bots can now mimic human behavior. They simulate realistic mouse movements, vary their typing speeds, and, believe it or not, can solve almost any CAPTCHA puzzle you throw at them. They can even engage in agentic behavior, meaning they can make decisions on the fly to bypass security filters. If a website blocks one IP address, the AI bot automatically switches its identity and tries a different path. So how do we fight back? For businesses, it's about bot management. This involves using machine learning to detect patterns that don't quite feel human. We use things like rate limiting to stop any single user from making too many requests. For you, the individual, the best defense remains multi-factor authentication. Even if a bot successfully steals your password, it cannot get past that second layer of security on your phone. Bots are a permanent part of our digital landscape. Understanding them is the first step to staying one step ahead of the machine. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Would you like me to explain how DDoS attacks specifically work in our next video? Let me know in the comments.